In this video today, I'm going to practically show you how you can start mining crystals. But before we go into the practical aspect of this video, I'm going to share with you my experience with free crypto airdrop, as well as share with you one or two projects that you can participate in. There are paid ones, there are free ones, there are the ones that you need to pay a little transaction, there are the ones that you need to own NFT. This year, my life changed with cryptocurrency airdrop. If you are new, please, thank you so much. This is an unusual video, so please like and subscribe. Drop a beautiful comment. If you have questions, ask in the comment section of this video. On this channel, we talk about cryptocurrency, entrepreneurship, and making money on the internet. So this year, 2024, I received an airdrop of runestone. And as I received this airdrop, I held on to it because when I look at it, I knew that there is something big is about to happen. But I couldn't buy more. So because I held it, I now receive an airdrop of dog go to the moon. And this dog go to the moon went as high as $5,500 when I sold mine. But it even went as high as $10,000 plus. But right now, those that received that amount of airdrop is at 4,500 US dollars. And you remember, if you are following me on this channel, I made this video sharing with you how you can buy sat hunters. And because I was holding 3 sat hunters, those that are holding real NFT on their wallets are the ones that this project just a drop for them for free, that runestone. So because I was holding 3 sat hunters on my wallet, I was qualified for crypto airdrop of runestone. And I actually bought only 2 NFTs, but the shout out to Francis dude on Sensor, thank you so much. The project team decided to airdrop one for me for free. That made me be holding 3, and I actually wanted to sell one, but I said no, let me hold on to it because I needed money at the time. I held on to it. So because I was holding that 3 NFT, months later I received an airdrop of runestone. So that runestone, I'm still holding it because I'm holding that runestone, I have received up to 5 or 6 different airdrop that I sell. Some I sell it for 100 USD, some even 50 something USD. Some I'm still holding on to it, while my dog go to the moon, I sold it. And I sold it because I saw other projects that are coming up that I need to participate in them. Okay, so airdrop is real, cryptocurrency is real, and one of the things that can help you in the cryptocurrency world is if you are able to, 1, master your emotion, then 2, if you are able to stay long enough. A lot of people, they only follow the news, and it's not going to work that way. Like if it's only when you now hear people talking about it that you now rush in, then the moment you not see the money, you rush out, you are not going to make a lot of money except by sheer luck. So that's my experience with runestone, and I've been buying different projects, and I decided I'm going to share with you people this particular one because currently Telegram is a wildfire. There are a lot of projects on Telegram right now. As you can see, likes of Hamster. I'm also a CEO on Hamster, So, and I know that with Notcoin and so many other things that are coming on Telegram, there is a lot of great potential. That's why I want to share with you. So this project also on Ton. If you know Ton Keeper, Ton is also a blockchain. So, and for those that are completely new to cryptocurrency, I'm going to drop a playlist in the description of this video where I talk about cryptocurrency so that you can learn and understand. Token, just like BNB is a chain token, that's how Ton is, and a lot of development is coming up on Ton. And I found this project, Rune Ton, Okay, there is no E in this particular one. So this one is an NFT, and it's also been a drop for free for some users on Ton, but unfortunately I wasn't qualified for that. I didn't even know about that, but something, as I was going through X, I saw something related to what make me up to 10 make other people up to 10,000, but make me 5,000 plus, and it has been growing and all that. I said no, I have to look into this project. So this particular NFT, they are mining currently. They are mining crystal, and crystal is not really even what the coins will be. The coins is not yet known. So but if you are holding one of this NFT, you'll be able to mine higher. But even without you holding any NFT, you can also mine. So I'm going to show it with you in the practical aspect of the video. So but before we go into the practical aspect of how this runestone on Ton blockchain on Telegram is working and how you can also participate in mining it, I want to also share with you some mining that you can, some of the coins that you can mine and still make money. If you are not mining hamster, you are on your own. You are on your own. Go get it. So I'm going to drop a link to my Telegram, and I'm going to drop my link to hamster. If you don't know hamster, I'm going to drop also a video that I talk about hamster combat. Yes, we are also typing. This one is going to make sense. Don't allow other people to fool you. Okay, so you can mine hamster. Okay, you can mine hamster. I'm also doing Marina protocol. I'm also doing AZ miner. So this hamster, Marina protocol, AZ coiner, those ones, they are free. You don't have to do anything. You just have to, like Marina and AZ, all you need to do is click on it and claim once in a day. Okay, those are the two. Those are plus hamster. I've done video on hamster. The third one or the fourth one I want to talk about is hot. Okay, we are mining hot, and is that it has been predicted that it's going to worth like one hot is going to worth like around $20. I have mine. I think I have like 6 hot currently. So I want to do a different video on hot. So if you are interested on hot, because that one I will just show you practically, because that one you have to own a Telegram. You have to create a wallet, Telegram wallet. So I'm going to show you that one separately. Okay, so but this one right here, I want to practically show you how you can be mining crystal. So let's go to the practical aspect of this video. You are welcome to the practical aspect of this video. So we are going to be using Telegram and Tonkeeper. Tonkeeper is a must-have for everyone that is into crypto, most especially airdrop on Telegram these days. So if you don't have Tonkeeper or you don't know how to install it, please let me know in the comment section so that I will give you the link to a video I made, or check the description of this video so that you will see the link to that video. So I'm going straight to my Telegram. All right, so right here is my Telegram channel. I'm dropping it in the description of this video, where I used to drop things about hamster and other airdrop. So right now we are also mining dogs. We are mining major, monkey, cats, and all that. So we are going to be learning crystal. So these dogs right here, if you just click on it, it will read how old your Telegram has been, and you get it. And I've already connected even my wallet. I have detailed video on that. I will drop it. And there is also monkey. This monkey, you can even get if you are lucky, you can get up to even 20 something ton or 1 ton that you can withdraw immediately. So that one is another one that you can do for free. And you can, but this particular one, every day after 24 hours you can spin. So whatever you spin, you get it. You can also connect your wallet so that if you even get ton, you can withdraw it to your Tonkeeper. I've done a detailed video on that also. I'll leave it in the description of this video. But now we are going to crystals, right? It's crystal we are going to learn how to mine. So if I click this link for crystal right here, it's going to bring me to where I can mine crystals. But this mining of crystals is in two ways. This crystal, like, you have to connect your wallet. Okay, so I connect it with Keeper. That's why Keeper is a must. You click on connect and you put in your password. So once it's connected, you come back and it will show you right here. Okay, like today on now, I've already claimed. So if I have not claimed, I will just click to claim. But for me to claim this crystals, the pool size is 150 million. So now at like 45 million or thereabout has been mined already, remaining 104 million. So this is showing that I am connected. You can also refer if you have the tone by itself, this runestone, if you have it. But for you to be able to mine it even for free, you must have tone in your tone keeper. You must have tone in your tone keeper because there's going to be transaction fee for that. And if you want to mine more, you need to buy the NFT. It's not must if you don't have money. Let me just click here so that you will see. For those that have NFT, if you have a runestone NFT, you'll be mine the one you mine 100. If you don't have the one, you mine 10. Day 250. If you don't have day 225, and so on and so forth. But from day 4 upward, if you have NFT, you'll be mining 1000. If you don't have NFT, you'll be mining 100. And if you don't have NFT, you cannot have a referral link. So I know that at this point some people will be like angry. Why is it like that? It has always been somehow. It's not everything that everyone have access to it. But don't despise the little beginning. I remember when I cannot afford most of these things, but I am doing this video because I know from most of these free airdrop, money will come in. And the mistake that a lot of people will make is eating up all the money. You need to save some. Any business that you see or anything that you see anyone doing and the person is becoming better and better is because we invest a little percentage back into what gives us money. So I want you to at least, like, you can buy this, you can buy ton, even $5 worth of ton, so that you can start using that for your transaction, so that you can be collecting crystal, even if you cannot afford to buy the runestone. So, but for those that can afford to buy the runestone, if you can afford to buy the runestone, let me show you where or how you can also buy. I'm going to drop the link in my Telegram channel. Okay, so if I click here, it will take you to the link Get Gems, where you can buy runestone. So, but for you to buy runestone, you have to connect your wallet. And this runestone, one of it right now is about 21 ton to buy one runestone. So, and 1 ton now is around $7. So that is why it's not for everyone, but it's for people that can afford to put in something. Okay, it's not a financial advice, but just that's why I decided to share my story from the beginning. Okay, so for those that can afford it, you can buy so that you can be mining more. Like right now, if you check my ton keeper, like right here, I have up to 42,610 already crystals. And this crystal is not what we sell. This is what we are mining, and the real token name will come up, and it will be converted based on how many crystal you have. So take note of that. And they also have a community, so I'm dropping the link also, so that you can do your own research very well. Okay, you can do your research very well. Let me search a runestone. Okay, you can go through. There's even the roadmap. There are so many things you can learn about this particular project. It's still coming up, but you are still early if you are watching this video. Okay, you are still early if you are watching this video, because I know that is why I first of all share with you guys the ones you can do for free without paying anything, and the ones you need a little thing, especially like just transaction fee. Like this one now, if I click on my history, if you check my history, 0.05 ton is what I'm using to mine every day. And either you have NFT or not, is 0.05 ton that you can use. That is the gas fee or transaction fee for it. And someone like me, I buy more than one NFT, but I bought for my son, I bought for my daughter, I bought for my other phone. You can actually put all the NFT in one place. You can even have 10 runestone NFT and let it be in one wallet. So if others, so like somebody like me that have one, if I'm collecting 1,000, you can collect 10,000. But I decided not to put all my eggs in one basket, especially recently as I lost my phone. So I learned not to put, even though I recover everything that I lost in that phone, but I still learn not to put all my eggs in one basket. So if you're interested on the hot, because hot is a bit it needs some transaction, there are things I don't want this video to be too long, it's already too lengthy, so I will do a separate video for hot. So if you are interested, let me know in the comment section. Please, if you have question, ask in the comment section. Don't be coming to my DM to ask question. Answering, the reason why I prefer answering question under the comment section of my video is because if I give that answer, 1 million people can still have access to that answer. So that's why you see me replying to my comment on YouTube faster than DM, because if I answer you on DM, that means I will keep on answering everybody one by one, which is not fair for me right now. So please support me by giving me a like, dropping a beautiful comment, share it. You know, the sky is big enough for us all to fly. Aside from that, if you are just joining, I also have a group, Telegram group of 28,000 members, where we talk about different businesses you can do online, different ways to make money on the internet. All right, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you have learned one or two things about this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, drop a beautiful comment. It's going to keep me going until I come your way again in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.